morning students, welcome to e-learning classes. This is your life skill period. We are doing lesson number 3, that is the new emperor. In this chapter I have explained you the chapter, then we have done question answer. Now today in this video we will do some exercises from this chapter. So students, go through the video and watch it carefully, and after that you have to do all the exercises in your copy in a very neat and tidy manner. Lesson number 3, the new emperor. In this chapter, I have already explained you the story. After that, we have done question answer of this from this chapter. We have done these 4 question answer, and today we will do true false. First of all, you have to mention the date on which you are doing this work. Write this heading using black pen. After that, you have to write whole statement with blue pen and answer with black pen. Now write this heading. You have to do these work in your copy. Write T for true and F for false. First one is, the emperor thought of a competition. Is it true? Yes, this is true, because the emperor don't have any successor, so he thought of a competition to choose his successor among the children of his kingdom. So he thought of a competition. This is true. Write T for true. Leave one line. Then second, he gave them each a bag of seeds. This one is also true. Write T for true. The emperor, when he invited all the children to his palace, he gave each of the child a bag of seeds to judge their honesty. Then leave one line. Third one, Jiang was not good at gardening. This is false. Write F for false, because Jiang was a good gardener, but he was not able to grow any plant out of the seeds which were given by the king, because those seeds were boiled seeds and it could not produce any plant from those seeds. So Jiang was a good gardener, but here it is written Jiang was not good at gardening. This one is false. Write F for false. Then leave one line, and last one is, the seeds were boiled. Yes, this is true. Write T for true. The seeds were boiled which the king had given each of the child. Do this in your copy, and after that we will revise, fill in the blanks with correct words. Those students who have done this in their copy, no need to do this. We are revising it, and those students who have not done it, do it in your copy. First one is, the emperor had no dash to rule after him. Correct answer is successor. The emperor had no successor to rule after him. Second one is, he wanted the kingdom to be ruled by a kind and dash king. Correct answer is honest. He wanted the kingdom to be ruled by a kind and honest king. Then third one is, Jiang was a dash and honest boy. Correct answer is hard working. Jiang was a hard working and honest boy. Fourth, all the children dashed at his empty pot and made fun of him. Answer is stared. All the children stared at his empty pot and made fun of him. After this, I am repeating this true false. First one is, the emperor thought of a competition. This one is true. Second one is, he gave them each a bag of seeds. This one is also true. Write T. Third, Jiang was not good at gardening. This one is false. Write F for false. Fourth, the seeds were boiled. This one is true. Write T for true. Do these exercises in your copy. Those students who have done fill in the blanks, no need to do this. They have to write true false in their copy, and those who have not done, do these two exercises in your copy. And before doing this, you have to mention the date on which you are doing this work. Use black pen for writing heading. These two headings, you have to use black pen for writing it. Whole statement with blue pen, and the blanks and this answer you have to, for these answer you have to use black pen for writing it. So students, go through the video, watch it carefully, and after that do these work in your copy. Thank you.